my God, guys, it's back. It's Qoobo, but this is Petite Qoobo. Look at it. It's adorable. This little guy has more smarts than the last one, but he fits in, well, like a pocketbook or something like that. He's got different movements. Look, he's got like this happy movement with his tail. He's got a microphone inside, so if we talk to him, he can hear you. Even as, this is the crazy part. Inside, I can feel a tiny heartbeat. So this is, it's kind of like a cat without a head or legs, but it's very endearing. Look at that tail. Look at that tail. So you see the different movements. It's got a short movement. It's got a long movement. I'm gonna look now. It's rubbing against my face. This is so weird. All right, so it's got 8 hours of battery life. That's right, to wag the tail and keep you company. We don't know about colors. This guy's gray. Feels nice. It's pretty lightweight too. So now this guy, I don't know, how much is this guy? We don't know yet, right? Pricing?
Yeah, less than 100.
It's probably around $100 because I know the other one's like around 150, 160, depending on where you get it. This is the Qoobo you take with you everywhere. Petite Qoobo. He is so happy right now. Oh.